Okay, a Cogoo 360 Birdview camera, 2D or 3D Darkview version. Okay, to turn on auto front camera function, use your remote control. Go to menu. Okay, control. Okay, go down, choose boot display and choose for 10 seconds. Then go to control button. On the sleep mode, you have to change to 15 seconds. Okay, then back to normal. Okay, let me show you for reverse. So this is reverse view. Okay, back to normal. Auto front camera view. 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 seconds. Auto front cam for Cogoo 2D or 3D Darkview camera setting. Buy one piece. Thank you.